Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can remove the green screen from a picture in Photopea. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I just loaded up a template. However, this is a screenshot of a template just to make sure that everything is in one single layer. As you can see, I cannot remove the background without removing the text and vice versa. And what you want to do to remove the green screen, in this case the background, is to select it first. Now the way you can select it is using the magic tool, and all you have to do is click on the let me just select the tool first. Just click on the actual background, and as you can see, it is selected, all except the other elements which are of a different color. Now all you have to do is just click delete, and as you can see, it will create a, well, pretty much backgroundless image. Now as you can see, if I deselect it, there are still green spots left over. To minimize this, you can go into select, modify, and then go into expand and expand it by, for example, 1 pixel. And what you can do to select these here, which are within the letters themselves, is use shift click and just select all of them manually, and it should select most of them. Now you could possibly zoom in the picture if you want it more specific, and once you click delete, as you can see, it will delete most of the green. Now the rest is up to you to fix up in minor detail, but this is pretty much what you want to do. Now what you can do is you can insert another image. I forgot how you can insert images. I just know how to open them, but yeah, you can just enter up an image in the background, and you will be able to use the secondary image as the background, and that should be it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.